friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making smashed Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. So we need Brussels sprouts, and for the seasonings we need olive oil, salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So I already washed these Brussels sprouts and I cut off the brown ends so they're nicely prepared for cooking. So for the smashed Brussels sprouts, the way it works, first you pre-cook them and then smash them and then roast them. So for pre-cooking, you're going to use the microwave. As an alternative, you can also boil them in water. Microwave is so much easier. So to boil in water, it would be boiling them for 10 minutes. In a microwave, it will be much quicker and easier. And then we're going to smash them, season them, and roast them in the air fryer. So first, I'm going to microwave them. So put them in a microwave-safe dish. Cover the dish. You can just loosely cover it. It doesn't have to be tight. And now let's put them in a microwave. So you need to microwave them until they're soft. The time can vary depending on the microwave. And now I'm going to set my microwave to 5 minutes. Now Brussels sprouts are done cooking, so let's take them out of the microwave. Here they are. Perfect. So 5 minutes on high in the microwave was just enough time to cook the Brussels sprouts. So the next step would be to take each Brussels sprout and to smash it. So the easiest way to smash it is to use a bottom of a mason jar or a mug. So you just press on it and smash it. So I'm going to do it with all the Brussels sprouts, and then we're going to season them and air fry them to make them crispy. So now I'm done smashing the Brussels sprouts, and now let's season them. So I'm just going to drizzle them with some olive oil. And sprinkle the seasonings. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now we can just flip them over and then season the other side. I'm just also trying to coat them with oil because some of the oil here is on the plate, so I'm just kind of flipping it and trying to get the oil on the other side. And now I'm going to sprinkle seasonings on the other side. So again, here is salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And you can add any other seasonings you like that you think go well with Brussels sprouts. So now it's time to air fry them. And by the way, if you don't have the air fryer, you can just roast them in the oven until they're brown to your liking. But air fryer is just so much easier. It's perfect for this recipe. So let's put the smashed Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. And let's put the air fryer gasket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm just going to mix them so they cook evenly. See, they're getting so nicely roasted, looking good. So just toss them a little bit so they cook evenly. And now let's put them back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these smashed Brussels sprouts. They're perfectly roasted. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. Air fryer is the best tool for making these Brussels sprouts. Another great variation would be adding a Parmesan cheese for the last 5 minutes of air frying. It would nicely melt, and Parmesan cheese is also awesome with Brussels sprouts, but they're also great without. This is so healthy. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Tastes so good. They're so tender on the inside and crispy on the outside and perfectly seasoned. Oil and those seasonings taste amazing with Brussels sprouts. You will love it, and this is healthy too. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!